In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show FPS in Arc Raiders. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on the in-game performance overlay so you can see your frame rate and, if you want, additional system stats while you play. First, make sure you're actually inside a playable activity. The game won't show your FPS while you're in Speranza, the social hub, so jump into something like the practice range. It's a safe and quick way to load into an active environment where the overlay can appear and your frame rate will reflect real gameplay. Once you're in a match or the practice range, open your settings menu. From there, head over to the graphics section. This is where all the visual options live, and it's also where the performance overlay is tucked away. Scroll all the way down to the advanced area. Near the bottom, you'll find an option labeled In-Game Performance Overlay. Click that option to enable it. You'll see choices that let you decide how much information you want on screen. The simple option is perfect if you just want the essentials. It shows your current FPS, which is the most direct indicator of how smoothly the game is running. Turn that on, and you'll see a small overlay appear while you play, giving you a live readout as you move, shoot, and explore. If you'd like deeper insight, switch to the detailed option. This goes beyond FPS to include CPU and GPU statistics. It's helpful if you're trying to figure out whether your processor or your graphics card is working harder, or if you're troubleshooting performance dips. Watching those numbers as you play can help you understand what's happening behind the scenes, especially during intense firefights or in visually complex areas. Once the overlay is on, it should appear right away during gameplay. If you don't see it, double-check that you're not in Speranza and that you're actually in the practice range or an active mission. Remember that FPS will naturally change from moment to moment, so brief fluctuations are normal. If the overlay feels distracting, you can always return to the same setting and switch it back to simple or turn it off entirely. None of these changes require a restart, so feel free to experiment until you find a setup that works for you. And that's it. Get into a playable area, open settings, go to graphics, scroll down to advanced, enable the in-game performance overlay, and choose simple for just FPS or detailed for CPU and GPU stats. Enjoy your smoother, more informed Arc Raiders experience.